If you work in the city of Cincinnati, it is possible that the earning tax you pay could go up. That's a trial balloon floated as City Council wrestles with closing a $31 million budget deficit. 9 on your sides. Tom McKee is live with a story you will only see on 9. Tom.
Well, the city's earnings tax right now is 2.1%, the lowest of major cities in Ohio, and it hasn't gone up since 1988. But with that budget deficit you mentioned and the way it's being basically trimmed, council members say a lot has to change right now. They have to begin conversations on new revenue streams and begin them very, very soon. Talk of a possible earnings tax increase came during Thursday's Budget and Finance Committee meeting. Cincinnati workers pay 2.1%, Toledo 2.25%, and the rate for Cleveland, Columbus, and Dayton is 2.5%. Councilmember David Mann says voters would have to approve any earnings tax increase.
If we expect to continue to have the kind of city that we want, that is safe, that has an infrastructure that is kept modern, streets that are in good shape, we need to have a conversation at some point.
Councilmember Greg Landsman added that any new revenue stream cannot come from property taxes this time.
Property taxes have increasingly gone up, and I think that the average homeowner is really struggling with their property taxes, and so I think that's the last resort option in terms of where we find revenue.
Meanwhile, proposed parking rate hikes are the talk all along Hamilton Avenue and Northside. They could go up 50 cents to $1.25 an hour in the neighborhood.
Raising the price sure isn't going to help all these businesses that are investing in Northside.
Dana Brunson owns and operates Designs by Dana on Hamilton Avenue. He says people coming in to get tattoos might think twice about coming to his business.
But raising the meters, I mean, that's about as good as a streetcar to me. I don't think it's a great idea. I just think it's bad for business.
One of the items cut in Mayor John Cranley's budget is over $500,000 for the Center for Closing the Health Gap. The I-Team reported extensively on how the organization spent its money, and the mayor says changes that were proposed weren't made. So he says the center can apply for money from United Way. Councilmember Tanaya Denard says she hopes a compromise can be reached.
That organization does good work, and we shouldn't let the politics get in the way of the good work that they're doing.
Now, I did reach out to the Senator's Dwight Tillery for comment, but was told at this point he's not going to have any comment. Now, budget debate continues next week with passage needed by June 30th. Tom McKee, 9 on your side at Cincinnati City Hall.